Hello, my name is Ioana, and in this video we will talk about roles and permissions in SalesRay. Configuring roles is the following step when implementing the ERP and is an important functionality when it comes to user rights. The SalesRay roles that you see in the system are synonymous with company positions, so you can adjust them if needed. The logic behind this architecture is that all users are placed into roles, which then control most access rights to the system's modules and features. Placing users in roles allows you to have more control over the actions that those employees can take. So once you've decided the roles that you will work with and have set their permissions, all you have to do is place each employee in the appropriate role. I will illustrate this with an example. Let's take the role of sales consultant. You can open it from the edit button to see which users are included here. On the left, there will be the users of your domain, and on the right, there will be the ones assigned to this specific role. In this case, we have set up the system in such a way that all users in the role of sales consultant should be able to create sales and financial documents and see the relevant menus for those operations. You can determine, for example, if your sales consultant will have access to all the financial module or to the entire logistics module. Therefore, the visualization of a module or a functionality in that module is determined by the roles, and they should be set up by the administrator of each domain. Separately, depending on each role, you can establish which operations can be created, viewed, deleted, edited, cancelled, or blocked by those users in the roles. I will show you this in a separate video. Please remember that in the system, there are also personal permissions for each user, regardless of the roles they occupy in the company. These personal permissions imply a greater responsibility because they are granted when working with offices, bank accounts, cash registers, and warehouses. Now let's go back to the role structure that you see here. These are arranged in a hierarchical manner, which is useful because you can easily decide who will have access to what. A user can participate in as many roles as you assign to them. If a user participates in multiple roles, then their rights becomes the sum of all the rights of all the roles in which they participate. Initially, the system comes with roles and specified rights for them. We recommend that our clients use and expand them if necessary, as this will save a lot of work in setting up the ERP. Our template roles can be deleted, edited, expanded with this plus button, or moved with the arrows to the right. Also, you can add a new role with the Add button here in the header. In this interface, you can specify if this role has a successor or not. You can name it in all the different languages you work with, assign a description to it, and then specify the users that will participate in it. All changes must be saved with the Confirm button. Lastly, at the top of the interface, you have some checkers that you can check in order to get an overview of all the details we've covered so far. Thanks for watching. Have a productive day.